How to measure the timing of eMMC devices. Click on the top of the toolbar, Acquisition. From the drop-down menu, click on the trigger level. After calibration, the trigger voltage of each probe is displayed in the window. Add I/O delay on the DS pin to ensure timing. Add protocol decoders. Configuration protocol decoder. Set sample depth, frequency and trigger position. Click on the top of the toolbar option. From the drop-down menu, click on the Event Trigger. Click the Command Sequence Trigger checkbox. Click the Single Capture icon. Start the device under test. Click the Packet List button. Click the Data icon and the details will be displayed in the Data List window. The user can check the clock pin and DS pin timing. Thank you for watching.